Hi everyone, this is Paul from the Daily 3D Print. This is just a little informational video about the differences between SketchUp for Web or SketchUp Pro. Now you may have noticed in some of my tutorials I'm using SketchUp for Web, and then some of them are made in SketchUp Pro. This is SketchUp Pro and this is SketchUp Web. Now the difference is SketchUp Web is a free application. You just need to create an account with Trimble. Once you create an account, log in, you come to this side, SketchUp for Web, and there's a button here, Start Modeling. As soon as you click on this, you come into this side, the web application. Now there's only a few little differences really. Like I say, in the beginning you don't really need to buy SketchUp Pro. All the tools are here that you need with SketchUp Web, and it's completely free. So you can see you've got your basic tools on the left here, and even at the bottom, if you click on these three dots, you get access to a load more tools as well. Offset, follow me, the circle is there, 3D text, zoom extends. So a whole lot of great tools you can use there too. So if I close this, click on the three dots, go over to the right hand side, there we got access to the materials library here. For example, you click on this and there's all the materials you need to use in SketchUp. Also access to the 3D warehouse and different styles, shadows, scenes. If I jump over to the SketchUp Pro and just have a quick look, here you get the full toolbar that's on the screen the whole time. So that's one of the differences, but you still get access to all these tools in SketchUp Web. And jump over to the right hand side in the default tray here, and there you can see you still got the materials library. If you open up this, these are the materials that you get. So as a complete beginner, I would advise to stick with the SketchUp Web, and it's completely free if you just need to create an account with Trimble. As for the prices of SketchUp Pro, after you've been using SketchUp for a while and you want to go over to the paid version, we can now take a look at the pricing here. As from today, when I'm making this film, the prices for the Pro Annual, which is the one I use, $33 per month, or you can pay it annually. And just some of the things that's included with the annual or SketchUp Pro: the desktop 3D modeler, 2D design documentation with layout, quick climate insights with pre-design, 1000 plus extensions for tailored workflows, and enhanced IFC and DVG compatibility. So just to recap, if you create an account with Trimble, you get access to the SketchUp Web, which is completely free. You click the Start Modeling, jump into the web application, and away you go. You got all the tools you need as a complete beginner. When you become more advanced and want to do a few more advanced kind of things, then I would recommend jumping over to the SketchUp Pro, which is the paid version. So that's all I want to go through today, just a bit of information about SketchUp and the difference between the free version and the paid version. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another SketchUp tutorial. Thanks for watching.